What's up guys? We're back with another simple recipe. These 5-ingredient protein bars take maybe 5 minutes to make and can be made a million different ways with your favorite cereal. So let's jump right into it. P.S. I'm going to throw a review of these at the end of the video. And also, we're at 420,000 subscribers already. It's not even the end of January. 500,000 by the end of the year is looking pretty good. So if you're not yet subscribed, do it! To make this one, all you'll need is a stovetop pan. Turn your burner on low heat, then add right into it 1 tablespoon of butter, 10 tablespoons of nut butter, and 5 tablespoons of a sweetener like brown rice syrup, honey, or even a sugar-free syrup that would work better for your macros. I'll include the nutritional information for multiple variations on the proteinchef.co, which is always linked below. Mix those ingredients together as they heat up until everything is combined. Don't let them sit long enough to burn. For a nut butter alternative, this and some butter both works and tastes great. It's a bit pricier than peanut butter, but not too bad. I think I paid around $6 for it. Once those ingredients are combined, add in 2 scoops of your favorite good tasting protein powder. I'm using a vanilla one today. Mix your powder in until smooth like this. It shouldn't look too wet and it shouldn't be too dry or they'll fall apart. Last, mix in 1 to 2 cups of your favorite cereal. This can literally be anything. Even granola. You want to make sure that all of your cereal is coated by the time you're done mixing it. Since some cereal is denser than others, you'll have to eyeball this stuff. I usually use around 100 grams depending on the cereal. It's better to not put enough than to put too much, so start out on the low end. For the macros, you can add the cereal in separately, which will give you flexibility, since the type of cereal you're using can completely change them. These can be pretty balanced, higher in carbs, or higher in fat, depending on what you use. From here, take out something to put your mix into and optionally line it. Add and evenly distribute your mix into it by pressing down to compact it. I find using my hands makes this step easier. Put that into the fridge or freezer for a few or until everything hardens up, then cut your bars up. In the end, they should look like this. Couple tips to this one. Number 1, if you have questions regarding cooking protein powder, we have a video and article that goes over it if you'd like to check it out below. Number 2, melt some sugar-free chocolate and drizzle or pipe it over the top. And number 3, if you did it right, once they harden in the fridge, they'll be good to go and won't fall apart. Unsponsored review time of these jalapeno cheddar protein puffs. They have 220 calories in the whole bag and 42 grams of protein. I think I paid $2.99 for this bag. All right, let's try them. Smell test. That's a pass. They smell legit. Like they smell like the real thing. Now I'm gonna try them. Woo! They passed the spicy test. For sure. All right, I'm just trying to think, if I wanted the real thing, if these would satisfy that craving. I don't think they would. They have that chalky protein taste, if you know what I'm talking about. I give these a 5.2. Would I buy them again? Probably not. If you want more reviews like this of other random high protein foods that I find, let me know in the comments below. With that said, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this one. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a recipe. Don't forget to check out the proteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.